Ang bilis mapaniwala ng mga kababayan natin, lalo-lalo na sa social media. Hello everyone, and welcome for another episode of Conservative PH Vibes. Six days ago, nag-post ako sa aking account sa thread ng picture ni Digong with the caption, "Aminin na natin, si Rodrigo Duterte ang pinakamagaling na presidente ng hindi lang Pilipinas, kundi buong mundo. Proud DDS here." But there's a catch. Kaya nga kinuha siya ng Netherlands. So, I got around 2,300 hearts and 664 comments with 23 reposts. What's the catch? Kapag pinuntahan mo yung comment section ng post na to, it's a mix and match of people that doesn't know how to, I can say, grasp sarcasm, or they don't have that much of critical thinking or reading comprehension. It was clear that I'm mocking Duterte in that post. But no, there's a lot of our kababayans thinking I'm actually a DDS. No, I'm not a DDS, for Christ's sake. I'm against Duterte since Sara started maligning the government. Now, ito yung nakakatakot. With that kind of post, yung pinost ko na yun, can actually, I can say, deceive or play, okay, yung naratibo ng pagiging pro and anti-DDS is so alarming because majority of the commenters thinking I'm a DDS. Maybe out of 10, siyam sa kanila thinking I'm a DDS, but I'm not. Only few can realize that that post has sarcasm in it. Now, alam ng kalaban, lalong-lalo na ng China, kung gaano kauto-uto ang mga kababayan natin sa social media. Hindi pa ako hindi pa ako na-satisfy sa post na yon. Nagkaroon ako ng follow-up post. Same ang atake ng post na to. Okay? Ang post, that was 2 days ago. "We deserve Digong, not Netherlands. That's not fair." I got 1,000 likes, 146 comments, and 12 reposts. At ano nakuha ko? Inisip na naman nila na DDS ako. So, they jump into my post thinking that I'm a pro-DDS without even realizing kung anong ibig sabihin or kung anong ibig sabihin ng pinost ko. This is how easy to control the information when it comes to social media. Lalo-lalo na dyan sa Pilipinas. A lot of people jumping into the comment section without even reading the context. There's a lot of people, okay, judging you without even reading the context. It's analyzing the context of the post. It is so easy. Read between the lines. This is the problem dyan sa Pilipinas nowadays. Ang daming tao sa social media na walang laman ng utak at hindi gumagamit ng sentido komon. Kaya nga may mga nauuto pa itong mga DDS na to eh. May mga nauuto pa itong mga DDS na to. sa mga pinupost, lalo-lalo ng mga content creator nila. Why? Because marami sa mga kababayan natin ang mangmang pagdating sa pag-intindi ng impormasyon na nakukuha nila online. Now, I have this actually this is so funny because I posted 11 hours ago. Okay? Meron kasing kumakalat ngayon na I can say propaganda na sinasabing hindi ka Pilipino kung hindi mo mahal si BP Sara Duterte. Okay? What's the catch? I posted 11 hours ago. I got, wait, let me check. I have a real-time update here. Now it has 922 likes, hearts, 739 comments, and mostly of the comments, again, thinking that I am a DDS, without even translating the Arabic phrase, Arabic sentence that I put in there. If you're going to click that Arabic sentence and translate it, it's clearly saying that I'm a Filipino and I hate Duterte. Very clear. Pero no. They again speculate that I'm a DDS. Walang due diligence ang mga readers natin. Mostly sa mga taong online or yung mga taong sitawag nilang netizen. They don't even bother to translate the Arabic sentence that I put in there. And it's silly saying that I hate the Dutertes. See? Napakadaling mang-uto or utuin. Sorry guys, pero totoo. Kaya maraming nauuto yung mga ibang content creator dyan because they know that walang laman ang kukote nyo. Pro-admin, anti-admin, pro-DDS, anti-DDS. Majority of those people, they don't have a common sense. If you want to deal with politics, you want to play in politics, you should be smart enough. Okay? Maging matalino po sana tayo sa pagbabasa at pag-intindi ng bawat pinupost ng kung sino mang nilalang sa mundong ito na tulad ko. I am posting anti-DDS all over my threads and still they thinking that I am a DDS for one single post. Intention ko talaga maglagay ng ibang font doon, Arabic font. Okay? Doon sa post na yon. Just to test if these people will going to care to translate that caption before hating me. That is why nowadays is a warfare of misinformation. They are actually, I can say, weaponizing the information, okay, para utuin, para gawing tanga ang mga kababayan natin. Mapa-administrasyon man yan, or mapa-Duterte man yan, mapa-kaliwa man yan, o mapa-kanan man yan. Ang giyera ay nasa pag-disseminate, tama ba English ko? Pagpalaganap ng misinformation, which the DDS are so common of doing it. There's a lot of content creators out there, especially like mostly the political content creators. And some of them, they care to fact check first before giving their opinion sa bagay na yon. Pero marami din po sa kanila ang gumagamit ng, sabihin natin, clickbait. I'm seeing this with pro-administration. I'm seeing this with the left. I'm seeing this with the pro-Dutertes or the obstructionists, the DDLists. They're using clickbait para maka-gain ng views. Clickbait, again, is a fake news or misinterpretation or misinformation na gusto nyong sugpuin ang misinformation pero gumagamit kayo ng clickbait. That's not cool. And there's a lot of our kababayans are, dumb enough to realize that they are following a certain people that I can say they are not true what they are representing on their channels. Anyways, I made this video only for this specific subject of read first, intindihin nyo ang bawat post ng kung sino man yan, then saka kayo mag-react, saka yung sabihin ang inyong opinion sa pinost ng taong yun. Huwag kayong basta-basta talon ng talon sa mga post na hindi nyo man lang iniintindi. At kayo pa ang may ganang sabing, ako ang bobo? Ako ang tanga? Troll? Well, in fact is, I'm just posting it online and it's up for you to understand. Anyways, this is my last post or content for this year, and we're going for a Christmas vacation. But if you want to follow me, you can search my Thread account because I'm there active like every day, every hour. And again, I think we are our subscribers here in YouTube and our views are getting hammered. I don't know what's the problem. So again, I'm asking you guys to please support this channel, okay? Para magkaroon tayo ng marami pang araw ang ating pagsasaluhan next year. Next year. Yun. Merry Christmas po sa inyo lahat at naway magkaroon po tayo ng masaganang bagong taon. Maraming salamat po sa ating Conservative Page by Family. At again, huwag po natin kakalimutan ang mag-like, mag-subscribe, and click the notification bell upang sa gadon ay ma-notify po kayo kung mayroon po tayong mga bagong video tulad nito. And next year, that will be our Season 3 of Conservative PH5. We're going to give you much punchier, much controversial opinion pagdating sa ating politika dyan sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat pong muli, and for God be the glory. Bye-bye.